So hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today we're going to install this new custom ROM GSI. This is Bliss Rom 110 GSI for Samsung Galaxy G7 Prime, and there you go. The first step is boot your phone into your custom recovery by pressing power button, volume up, and home button at the same time. But to do that, you need to have a custom recovery installed first. Though there are a lot of recoveries anyway, I tried TWRP and here, the orange box, but the method are the same. So this is now my recovery, the orange box, and this is the UI or the user interface of the orange box recovery. And then the next thing is you need to wipe your phone's data. See the video how I wipe the phone's data. Check Dalvik, cache, system, vendor data. I don't need to wipe my internal storage here, guys, because first of all, it doesn't affect my phones and it gives no errors, and the third one, I already transfer all the needed files. So after wiping your phone, I don't need to reboot anyway, and then there you go. The installation steps. You need to flash first the create vendor and check the unmount system before installing a zip. But if you are using a TWRP, you don't need to do that unmount system because it's already unchecked. Okay? But here on Firefox, that's not Firefox, Orange Fox anyway, you do it manually. And then after the installation, guys, reboot your phone into recovery again. Here, the Samsung Galaxy G7 Prime. Another thing, guys, this ROM is GSI, so it comes with a major two bugs, which is the VoLTE and the offline charging. VoLTE is for Indian users, and here in the Philippines, I don't think there is a VoLTE features. And yeah, so here, booting again into recovery, and then flash. It can be interchanged, guys. It's vendor or the ROM. You can select that, and then here, it's vendor first. I install. Though it will still boot your phone if you are flashing first the ROM before the vendor, or the vendor before the ROM. It's still working. And then the third one is the Bliss Rom. And another information is this ROM, guys, didn't have, or it don't have any pre-built or built-in G apps. So after clicking the image, you need to select a system image and start flashing. And anyways, wait the phone until says image complete or image flash complete. Oh my goodness. There you go. And after this process, you need to reboot your phone to system, or you need to boot up your phone to see if the ROM is working or not. But in some cases, other user ended boot loop or stuck on boot logo. So if you have that error, then you need to reinstall again. You're installing the ROM again. It maybe fixes that error, guys. And please follow all my installation steps to avoid errors, and avoid errors. And there you go, it booted successfully. This is now the animation or the logo animation from Bliss Rom. Oh my goodness, this is my first time using a Bliss Rom. Okay? So if you find my video really a bad quality because I'm using my phone to film this, I don't have any camera, so I'm really sorry, and I hope you still appreciate. So the logo here, and then this is unusual. It boot ups directly into the UI. It doesn't have a setup anyway. That I'm using a lot of rooms, but there is a setup. I wonder what's happening here. There is no setup, and also there is a navigation bar and the blue players. So the navigation bar there in the bottom, and the quick settings. So the font is quite good. It's responsive. And there you go, the additional features in the quick settings like heads-up, sync, EAD, CPU info, disable animations, screenshot and screen recording. And also the capacity buttons here are working even though the navigation bar is enabled. So we'll go now the settings, and the video quality of this part is really not good, so I'm really sorry guys. It's blurred, it's not sharp. Yeah. And we will go now about font, the logo, Team Bliss, and there is an IMEI. Android version is Android 10, and the Android security patch is June 5, 2020. I think this is the old version, and the kernel is the H-Render. And here you go, Blissify, which is here where you can customize, design, or stylize your phone's look. Here you go, you can customize what you want your phone would be look, or you want your phone more beautiful or something like that. You provide customizations. You can do it here in the Blissify manually. You can do it manually here in Blissify. So we will need to disable this navigation bar. If you want, then go to the features table, and then miscellaneous features, and then force disable navigation bar, and then after that you need to restart your device. That's the first method if you want to disable the navigation bar there. But there is another method which you will not need to restart your device. Just go here, the gesture navigation. This is also used term as full screen gestures. You need to enable show gestures in navigation bar. See the video anyway, and then click OK here. The navigation bar is hide, but actually there is a navigation bar like that. There is a gestures still not fully disabled. So if you want to fully disable the navigation bar, then go to PH8 settings, go through miscellaneous features, and then force disable navigation bar, and then restart your device. So the room is really good guys. It's responsive, smooth, and there you go, the blue players. This is, oh my god, this is really good room. So responsive, smooth. Look the way I touch. It's really responding. I think second it responds. There we go. So yeah. So this is now for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoy, appreciate, and anyways, I filmed this today, December 31 at 7 p.m. So few more hours to celebrate a new year. And happy new year to all of my viewers, subscribers, and to those all people who are watching this video.